In this video, I will show you how to install Google Gemini AI app on your computer or laptop. Gemini is an AI chatbot made by Google that can answer questions, write text, help with ideas, and also understand images. Now let's get started. You can open any web browser of your choice and search Google Gemini. Here, open this website. Go to the top right, click these three dots. And here, scroll down and go to Cast, Save, and Share. And here you're going to find Install Page as App. And this is where you should click. And here click Install. It's now installed. This is all you need to do to download Gemini AI on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.